Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we are replacing the rollers on a Flymo Easi Glide lawnmower. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. To remove the rollers, you will need a flat blade screwdriver to gently prise the roller axle from the clips. Place the screwdriver at the end. Lift the axle towards you to remove it from the clip. This will allow you to tilt the axle and put it out from the hole it is in. Be cautious as the roller may drop out. Put the roller onto your new roller axle. Then push the axle into the hole in the base. Tilt the axle to get the roller back in, then push it into the clip. And there we have it. Rollers replaced on a Flymo Easi Glide lawnmower. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.